Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 164. Let's see what the question says. Following solutions were prepared by mixing different volumes of NaOH and HCl of different concentrations. And those reactions are the first one 60 ml M by 10 HCl plus 40 ml M by 10 NaOH. Second, 55 ml M by 10 HCl plus 45 ml M by 10 NaOH. Third, 75 ml M by 5 HCl plus 25 ml M by 5 NaOH. And last reaction, 100 ml M by 10 HCl plus 100 ml M by 10 NaOH. pH of which of them will be equal to 1. So let's the milliequivalents of HCl can be calculated by 75 by 5 into 1, that comes out to be 15. And similarly milliequivalents of NaOH can be calculated by 25 into 1 by 5 into 1, that comes out to be 5. And milliequivalents of HCl resulting solution is 10. So the molarity of H plus in resultant mixture can be calculated by 10 by 100, which further simplifies to be 1 by 10. Now we have to simply apply the formula of pH in order to calculate it, and its formula is pH equal to minus log of H plus, and the value of H plus is 1 by 10. So simply put that value in the log, and the pH is minus log of 1 by 10, which simply comes out to be 1.